So Eric and I are in this crawl space doing an inspection for this customer, and right here you can see a tremendous amount of wood rot. All this here is wood rot and termite damage below the front door to the house. This is the rim board is completely shot. Sill plate is gone. Sill plate is the piece of wood that rests horizontally here. So this joist here is rotted out. And it also appears that they attempted some type of repair early on. You can see where they cut off the ends of the joist, probably using I don't know, some kind of very rough saw or whatever. But in doing that, what they've done, they've left no bearing here for the joist to sit on the wall. So you can see this one here, the joist is not sitting on the sill plate. Same thing here. So these joists, 1, 2, 3, 4 of them aren't supported on the foundation wall because someone did some kind of, excuse my language, half-assed repair here. Okay, by cutting off the ends of the joists. What I suspect is they were getting water leaks around the front door. The front foyer floor started to sag. They pulled the door out, cut all this out, and tried to jerry-rig a repair here. Instead, they made matters worse by cutting off the floor joists. So now we've got a significant amount of damage that the customer is going to have to deal with if they buy this house. Moving across to the other side, when we were upstairs, we noticed that there was very little airflow to the second floor, and lo and behold, come on over here, you will see the entire ductwork system has collapsed and fallen into the crawl space. So all of this has to be rehung. There are quite a few more issues in this crawl space, but just a lot of work that needs excuse me, to take place in this crawl space. The mold is starting to develop on the joists because they sealed off the crawl space vents. And yeah, a lot to write about in this crawl space.